As you can see, we have two strings here, my str1 and my str. So what if we write, for example, consider name added strings, because I wanted to say what if we, for example, plus my str to my str1, what will be the result? And after that, print added strings. You can see that it connects two strings to each other. I love traveling with airplane. I love eating pizza. But there is a problem that it doesn't separate them, and the I is connected to airplane, so we can just simply put in a space here, and then here you can see that, okay, I love traveling with airplane, I love eating pizza. Let's delete it, it's better. So the next one is another thing. We can show our strings. For example, let me define a fruit which is equal to apple, and another fruit, fruit1, which is equal to, for example, orange. So we have to define another string. We have a string 1. Okay, let me write. Okay, it is a way you can show your strings. You can add all the strings to each other. For example, here I want to say I love. Okay, now we can write plus fruit plus and then plus again. The next one is fruit1. So when you ask your Python to print it, string, oh Jesus Christ, string 1, you can see that it connects all of these. Oh, I must put some spaces between them, my bad. Okay, you can see that I love apple and orange. It writes the fruit's name inside your string. Another way is that we call it f string equals you put write f and then a single quotation or double quotation. It is better to be double quotation. I will say you why. I love you. You have to use brackets, and then write the fruits, and again another bracket, fruit1. This method to show your messages is the column f string, free space, and then f string, which is here. Oh Jesus. Oh, no. Okay, you can see that there is no difference between them because it's like them, and this is another way to show your data. For example, you wanted to add an integer or float number to your string. What should we do? Okay, let's see. For example, price is equal to 12.543. Okay, so new of string or of string 1 is equal to, again, f string. Okay, we should write the, for example, price of fruit is, okay, we write price, but we wanted to show it just with 2 digits, not anymore. We write okay, and 3.2f, and when we ask it to be printed, free space, print f string 1. Okay, as you can see, the price of apple is 12.54, and it's omitted the number 3. Let's check some commands and methods for the strings. For example, let me write a new string new string which is equal to, for example, my favorite fruit is apple. So let's print new string that capitalize. Okay, capitalize. The thing that the capitalize do is that converts the first letter into the uppercase letter. As you can see, my it's lowercase here, and then it converted to uppercase. Okay, print a free space, print. Okay, the next one is case faults, which converts all of our characters into the lowercase case fault. But because now all of our characters are in the lowercase method, you cannot see the result of this. It's the same. But let's, for example, try, I defined it here, yeah, my str1, my str1 dot case word. You can see that I love eating pizza, while here it is, as you can see, uppercase. So the next one, print a free space. Okay, the next one is title. Okay, what was our new string? Dot title, which makes the first letter of each word into the uppercase. My favorite food is apple. As you can see, all of them here are in lowercase. So I brought you all of the string methods here. To activate all of them, you just need to write your string name, and after that dot, and after that the method. I just want to explain you about some of the most important ones. The capitalize, which converts the first character to uppercase, not all of them. To convert all of them to uppercase, you have to use the upper method. The next one, count, which returns the number of time that specified value occurs in a string. The next one, ends with, which returns true if a string ends with a specified value. Find, to find a specific value inside your string. Index, it returns the index of that specific value. Is num, is all num, it checks whether all of the characters of your string are numbers. Is alpha is also true, checks if all of the characters are alphabet. Is ASCII, ASCII is the format for characters, numbers, everything. It checks about them. Is decimal is also about number. Is digit is 2. And also is lower, about lowercase, is title, it's a space. All of them are checking whether a condition is true or not, and all of them returns you true or false or boolean values. And also about make trans, here as you can see, returns a translation table to be used in translations. I think they are not usable. Replace that I explained to you. Or find, search the string for a specific value and returns the last position of where it was found. It returns you some indexes. Our index, search a string for a specified value and returns the last position of where it was found. It's like same as before, the last one. And our split splits a string at the specified separator and returns a list. R strip returns a right string version of the string, and also the title that I said to you, translate. I don't suggest you to use it because in the future videos I'm gonna tell you how to use APIs to translate your the things, your sentences and everything you want into an English or every language you wanted by using the Google API or other translators. It is not suggested. And upper I told you zfill then fills the string with a specified number of 0 values at the beginning. Thank you to watch my video. There are other videos that's gonna be uploaded into my channel. It makes me happy to see your comments and likes for my videos. It makes me energy to produce better and better videos for you. Also comment all your suggestions about these videos to improve myself. Thanks a lot.